As a global community of faith, we often look across borders to see where our brothers and sisters are thriving and where they are suffering. Today, our eyes are turned to India, a land of ancient spirituality and diverse cultures. But what we are witnessing right now from afar is deeply alarming. A sacred space under construction, a symbol of peace, reduced to a site of chaos and destruction. This isn't just a local dispute. This is a global call for justice. In Subashgram, West Bengal, an under-construction church was recently stormed by an aggressive mob. Crosses were shattered. The altar desecrated. And perhaps most heartbreakingly, reports state that onlookers stood by as mute spectators, too afraid or too indifferent to step in. But there is a detail in this tragedy that leaves global observers and peaceful citizens of all faiths deeply conflicted. The perpetrators reportedly shouted the slogan, Jai Shri Ram. To the world, we must ask, why are holy names, meant to represent righteousness in the Sanatan Dharma, being used as war cries to deface a house of God? True believers of Hinduism across India are asking the same. Why are these fringe groups, acting with the mentality of extremist organizations, spoiling the very name of the deity they claim to revere? When you use the name of God to destroy a place of peace, you aren't defending a faith, you are weaponizing it. Sadly, Subashgram is not an isolated event. Right around the same time, a Christian widow was attacked in Murshidabad. Bibles were confiscated in Bankura. A Sunday service was violently interrupted in Purba Bardhaman. A pattern is emerging under the current political landscape, and the international community is watching the governing authorities, including the BJP, to see how they respond. From the outside looking in, the world has a message for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Mr. Prime Minister, your international trips, global summits, and foreign policy achievements make headlines across the globe. But true leadership begins at home. The global diaspora is calling on you to spend time inside your own borders, securing the safety of your own citizens. We need to see strict, unyielding action against those who destroy communal harmony. While minority communities live in fear of targeted violence, the average citizen of India, regardless of their faith, is fighting another silent battle. The cost of living is skyrocketing. Fuel prices are at an all-time high, driving up the cost of food, transport, and basic necessities. Everything is becoming expensive. When a government focuses on political rhetoric rather than checking inflation and protecting its citizens, the entire social fabric begins to fray. The people of India deserve economic security, and they deserve physical safety. As the faithfully rising Christian community, we do not react with hatred. We react with prayer, awareness, and an unwavering demand for justice. We ask our global audience to share this video. Let the world know what is happening to the faithful in Bengal and across India. Let us pray for the recovery of these communities, for the change of heart of those filled with hate, and for wisdom to be granted to India's leaders. Stand with us, share this truth, and keep the faith rising.